Hello everybody, I hope you are fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change password on your Crunchyroll app. So if you wanna change your password on Crunchyroll application and you do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to change your password on your Crunchyroll app, first of all go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. Here in this particular process, you have to make sure that you are already logged into your Crunchyroll application. So if you are not, this process will not work out for you. So if you are logged into your Crunchyroll application, what you gotta do is go ahead and tap on account option, which is in the bottom right corner. After you do that, you will be able to see option of password here. Now you have to go ahead and tap on the option of password in order to change your password. Now what you gotta do is go ahead and tap your current password. Now what you gotta do is go ahead and fill in the box. Go ahead and type it, and then go ahead and tap on a new password, and then go ahead and again confirm your new password. After you fill in all those three boxes, go ahead and tap on change password finally. So it says your password has been changed. So that's how quick and easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Bye till then.